the way the vowels should sound since they're a little different than what we use in English. So if you could just repeat after me. O.
O.
When you say your O, you need to have a nice big space and your corners in real tight. O.
O.
Alright. The next one is going to be E.
E.
And you're going to keep that same space and just keep your corners in even tighter. E.
E.
A.
A.
Remember to still keep the corners in. In Italian, we're always going to have our corners pretty tall, or pretty tight in, and our jaw drop real nice for the A.
A.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Alright, that sounds really great. We're going to be working on the O Okimansa Mia today. We're just going to do the first page, front and back. And right now I just want you to chant the rhythm on the words, just to make sure that all the diction is sounding real good. So I'll give you 4. We're going to do it in 4 instead of cut time right now. So I'll give you 4 and then just come in on the very first note, in the very first measure. 1, 2, 3, 4.
O Okimansa Mia. O Okimansa Mia.
Alright, we're going to stop real quick. I forgot to remind y'all, whenever we have the Mia that's all on one note, we're going to do Mi for 2 beats and an A on a quarter note instead of the dotted quarter. So if y'all want to mark that in with your pencils, that would be great, just so we don't forget. It happens there, and it happens one more time on measure 12, the first measure on the top of the second page. So just mark that in. Make sure we don't have that mistake anymore. It's my bad. I forgot to remind y'all. So if we could start, as soon as y'all are done marking, at the pickups to measure 4, the second time you say O Okimansa Mia. I'll give you 3 and then come in on 4. 1, 2, 3.
O Okimansa Mia Cipri Dorati. O Okimansa
when you see a C-H-I in Italian, what is that going to sound like? He. And when you see a C-I, what is that going to sound like? Right, so it's a little bit backwards from how we do it in English. So I think I heard a couple people slip on that just once. So just make sure you remember that. That was the only problem I think we really had. Just remember to keep your vowels nice and tall and the space real big in your mouth. We're just going to run through it. I'm going to play the soprano and alto parts, but I want everyone to sing, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4.